The Generative Pre-Trained Transformer, more often known as the GPT, is a specific kind of artificial intelligence or AI language model that was created by OpenAI. It does this by guessing the next word in a sequence based on the context of the words that came before it. The end result is writing that seems to have been written by a human. Because of this, GPT is able to produce paragraphs, phrases, and even complete articles or tales that are cohesive and comprehensible. GPT has seen extensive usage in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and content production, amongst others. The use of GPT in chatbots and the ways in which it has altered the method in which humans connect with AI will be the primary subject of this essay. The idea of chatbots has been around for many decades, and the very first chatbot, named Eliza, was created in the 1960s. Nevertheless, early chatbots had restricted capabilities and could only answer to very specific queries or orders that were asked of them. Chatbots have gotten far more advanced and capable of holding lifelike conversations with users as a result of developments in artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning methods. The Generalized Probability Theory (GPT) has been an important contributor to this advancement, since it enables chatbots to create replies that are human-like depending on the context of the discussion. One of many advantages of using GPT in chatbots is that it is able to handle a broad variety of subject matters and can adjust to various inputs from users. This indicates that a chatbot powered by GPT is capable of holding a discussion with a user about almost any topic, from the state of the weather to the news of the day to one's personal relationships. Chatbots that are driven by GPT have the additional benefit of being able to learn and become better over time. They are able to get more accurate and better at anticipating the proper replies as they engage with more people and acquire more data. Additionally, GPT has been used to the problem of enhancing the precision and performance of language translation systems. GPT may learn to detect patterns and structures in several languages by analyzing massive volumes of text data, and then using this information to properly translate text from one language to another. This learning process takes place over time. GPT has been put to use for a variety of purposes, including translation of languages and chatbots, as well as the generation of content like articles and tales. By supplying GPT with a prompt or subject, it is able to create creative and cohesive prose that seems to have been authored by a human being. This is accomplished by making the material read like it was planned out in advance. The general consensus is that GPT has made a major contribution to the advancement of AI and has fundamentally altered the method in which humans connect with computers. Because of its capacity to produce text that is eerily similar to that produced by humans and its capability to adjust to a variety of different inputs, it has become a powerful tool for a broad variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and content development. It is quite possible that GPT and other technologies that are conceptually like it will play an even more significant part in molding the future of human-machine interaction as AI and machine learning continue to make strides forward. There are, however, significant constraints associated with the use of GPT in chatbots and other applications. The possibility that GPT would produce information that is either biased or objectionable is one of the primary sources of worry. Due to the fact that GPT is trained using massive volumes of text data, it might sometimes reflect the biases and prejudices that are inherent in that data. This may result in chatbots or other AI systems creating replies that are offensive or inappropriate, which can be detrimental to the users of the AI system as well as the reputation of the AI system as a whole. It is vital to carefully filter the data that is used to train GPT and make sure that it is reflective of a varied variety of opinions and experiences in order to reduce the likelihood of this danger occurring. In addition, it is essential to conduct consistent reviews and assessments of the results produced by systems that are driven by GPT in order to guarantee that the information they produce is neither biased or improper. Another shortcoming of the GPT is that it may at times provide replies that are not fully consistent or that do not make sense logically. This might be because the GPT is taught to anticipate the next word in a series based on the context of the words that came before it in the sequence. This is one of its primary functions. If the data that is being supplied is not well structured or coherent, the GPT may have difficulty generating replies that are suitable. It is essential in order to get over this constraint to carefully design the input data and prompts that are used with GPT. making sure that they are understandable and consistent with one another. In addition, strategies such as fine-tuning the model or using extra data to augment the training process may assist to increase the coherence of the output generated by the GPT. In conclusion, GPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model that is both strong and adaptable, and it has fundamentally altered the manner in which humans interact with computers. Because of its capacity to produce text that is eerily similar to that produced by humans and its capacity to adjust to a variety of different inputs, it has become a powerful tool for a broad variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and content development. Even though employing GPT has a few drawbacks, proper design and data curation may assist to avoid these issues and guarantee that GPT-powered systems are both efficient and objective.